2, 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and watch our eagles fly. Fly, eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles!
Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for January 22nd, 2018. For those of you who know me and have followed me for a long time, have known that I am a die-hard Eagles fan, and we had a very tremendous win today in the NFC Championship game. And, of course, I was dared to start off this video with the Eagles fight song, and I followed through. But some of my closest friends, we will be following, of course, in 2 weeks with the Super Bowl 52 against the New England Patriots. It's going to be a tough game, but it'll be a great game, I think. Going forward here now to Monday morning. This is looking at the Monday morning surface map. The area low pressure driving this warm front that is going to be over our region this morning is off to our west, and a cold front, which will bring rain to the region late tonight into tomorrow morning, mainly after midnight. We'll get into that in a second, but I do think we have a warm front moving through this morning. Is going to bring off a few showers and maybe some light drizzle across the region, mainly our central and northern areas. I'm going to get over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar and show you, start this off at 10 o'clock in the morning, just to give you an idea of where the showers will be. It's generally central and northern areas here, just a few light showers moving through. Elsewhere, there could be some light drizzle, but not a big deal overall. And this is just through early afternoon, like late morning, early afternoon, and you could have a few showers with this, but I think we're remaining mostly cloudy today, and we're not dealing with any precipitation again until we get into the nighttime hours. And this is going to be mainly an after midnight deal. Here's 1 o'clock in the morning, and then you can see here well after midnight at 4 a.m. it starts overspreading the region with rain showers. Now, this did look like it's going to be a bigger deal a couple days ago than it actually is. And I'm going to move this forward from the global models to show you what this is going to be doing. And this is the cold front moving through eastward. And again, this is after midnight. This is going to come through. And you can see some showers moving across, mainly in the interior, more northwest of 995 than anything else. But we could have some areas getting anywhere between 0.4 and 0.8 inches of rain. I think this is under an inch of rain for most areas. There could be some isolated higher amounts than that, but we are expecting mostly pretty uniform, just showers mostly. And as we get into Tuesday morning, it could be some enhancement as a secondary area low pressure starts to take control here. The primary is up here in the Great Lakes, but you have a secondary trying to form right along that boundary. Very weak, so I think it's going to be a little late to form, so you're not going to get an incredible rain amounts here. But this is much needed rainfall. I know a lot of people are looking at while this is January, we should be having snow. As far as the snow levels are concerned, I'd say just temper your expectations for now, for the rest of this month. Once we get into February, especially past the second week of February and beyond, if you took a look at our Weather Weeklies video yesterday and also our long range on Friday, we do expect that February is going to turn out to be quite a snowy month from the second week onward. So we're taking a little bit of a sabbatical right now. We're going to have some rain systems come in during the course of this week, and this is the first one. And it's going to be, again, just tonight and tomorrow morning, and it's going to be generally after midnight, anywhere between 0.4 and 0.8 inches, mainly northwest of 195, a little less south and east. Okay, so that system is going to move off the coast pretty quickly, and then when we get later in the day here on Tuesday, we're actually going to see the sun come out. Okay, and we're going to turn to partly cloudy skies, partial clearing later in the day, and then mostly sunny skies will come in later on Wednesday, and same thing holding here for Thursday, especially Thursday. We're expecting mostly sunny skies with high pressure and control over top of the region. Wednesday and Thursday are going to be cooler days, but not cold, not cold relative to this time of year. So we're going to get down to maybe upper 30s to low 40s for highs, and north to south, and that's still slightly above average for this time of year, and that's both Wednesday and Thursday. I think Thursday is going to be the coldest of the 2 days with high pressure right over top of the region, but still mostly sunny. And you're going to see that high pressure move off to the east here on Friday. So with the high pressure sitting right over here, it's going to invite winds to start coming in from a different direction, more of a west-southwesterly direction, and that's going to get temperatures to start to creep up a little bit on Friday, and especially on Saturday. Still mostly sunny on Saturday. Clouds are going to increase later in the day, but we still have dry conditions expected here for Saturday. Now Sunday, again, this is going to be another system that, again, warm temperatures are going to be increasing out ahead of this system. So we're going to have temperatures that are going to be too warm for any frozen precipitation for the weekend. This is going to come in, I think, on Sunday. And you can see that right here as we move forward. Here's Sunday morning, and during the afternoon and evening, it's going to be an all-day Sunday deal, it looks like. A very similar situation with a system cutting into our west, and then we're going to be the warm side of this. And this is going to be an all-day rain event, we think, on Sunday, and maybe into Sunday night for at least part of the night. But it does look like we're going to be in a warmer system here. So this is going to be a very similar system to the first one, where you have temperatures spiking ahead of the system as it's cutting to our west. But we will not have it whichever side of this. It doesn't look like a cold front brings the rain out ahead of it. So again, if you're looking for snow, this is now looking at the 29th of January right here, Monday morning on the 29th of January. We will have to wait till probably the second week of February before we start seeing some snow events, but I do think we're going to have some snow events return. Winter is going to return, and possibly with a vengeance as we get to the middle of the month. So do look forward to that. But again, in the meantime, we're going to be mild for the most part with some transient cold shots behind these cold fronts, but they're only going to get us back to near to slightly above average temperatures for a day or two before they start to increase once again. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for January 22nd, 2018. Have a great Monday, and go Eagles.